Riverside Autoplex is Oklahoma's low-price leader, proud to offer the best deals on new Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, Ford, and Honda.
Riverside Autoplex of Muskogee knows you want more in a car. You have a purpose for your vehicle. Imagine driving this black 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche SUV 4x4 LTZ, equipped with an 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy an impressive 21 miles to the gallon on this utility truck with features like automatic climate control, tow hooks, passenger's front airbag, driver's side airbag, active suspension, and much more. Get where you need to go, enjoy the drive, and have peace of mind in this 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. See us at Riverside Autoplex of Muskogee today.